In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into Binance, and more importantly, I'll explain all the different deposit options available so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. Binance supports multiple ways to add funds, whether you're depositing crypto, using fiat currency, or receiving money from another Binance user. Understanding these options helps you avoid mistakes and choose the fastest or cheapest method depending on what you need. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on Assets at the bottom of the screen. This is where Binance manages all wallet balances and fund movements. Inside the Assets section, tap on Add Funds. This opens a deposit menu where Binance shows all available ways to add money to your account. You'll now see 4 main deposit options. Let's go through each one so you know exactly what they do. The first option is on-chain deposit. This is used when you're sending crypto from another exchange or an external wallet into Binance. You choose the asset, select the network, and Binance gives you a deposit address. This method is best if you already own crypto elsewhere and want to move it into Binance for trading or holding. The second option is receive via Binance Pay. This allows you to receive funds instantly from another Binance user using Binance Pay. It's fast, doesn't require blockchain confirmations, and is often used for transfers between friends, family, or businesses already using Binance. The third option is buy with P2P. This method lets you buy crypto directly from other users using local payment methods like bank transfer or mobile payments. Binance acts as an escrow, helping protect both sides of the transaction. This option is popular in regions where direct bank deposits aren't available. The fourth option is buy with your local currency. Depending on your country, Binance allows you to buy crypto directly using a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Availability and supported payment methods vary by region, so what you see here may depend on where you're located. Once you choose the option that works best for you, Binance will guide you through the on-screen steps to complete the deposit, and that's it. Now you know all the ways you can deposit money into Binance and how to choose the right method for your needs. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.